Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. I was unable to upload my previous day video for my some health problem. Let's come to the point. So finally Nifty again resist from near 11,400 and take support on 11,300 and closed above it. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain in between 11,250 to 450, it will try for 11,700 plus zone. Then its next resistances are 11,876 and 12,000. Otherwise, if Nifty breaks and sustain below 11,250 on closing basis, then it will try to reverse from near 11,000 to 11,250 again. Let's come to Nifty chart. Nifty continuously sustained near 11,300, which is its reversal support, and its resist near 11,400, which is its strong resistance. So as per chart formation, it's likely move in between 11,250 to 11,400 till it not break any support or resistances. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed below 23,000 after resist from near 22,500. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 23,200, then it's likely try for 23,800 and 24,200 zone again. Else, if it slips below 22,700, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 22,200 to 22,800 again and reverse from that strong support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. So finally Bank Nifty below 23,000. So for now, as per chart formation, if it breaks and sustain above 22,800 to 23,200, then it will try for 23,500 zone. Otherwise, its next reversal levels are 22,200 to 22,500 zone. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future, that's are for Nifty future. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 11,634. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 11,450 and 11,565. There have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 11,065. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 11,269 and 11,143. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 23,465. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's 22,950 and 23,176. Same as there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 22,200. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 22,500 and 22,300. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range with midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Oberoi reality, that LTP is 380 and its upper range is 420 and lower range is 360. If it sustain above its midpoint, that 390, with increases volume, it's likely try for its upper resistance zone or upper resistance range, that 420. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 390, with increases volume, it's likely try to reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 360. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint with LTP for intraday trading. Oberoi reality, that LTP is 380. Alkem, that LTP is 2,841. SBI Life, that LTP is 845. Godrej Agro, that LTP is 484. Hexaware, that LTP is 415. PI Industry, that LTP is 1896. LTI, that LTP is 2488. ICICI Bank, that LTP is 375. Godrej Consumer, that LTP is 669. Infosys, that LTP is 939. So you can note down every stock's LTP with range and midpoint for intraday trading. You can mail me on my mail ID or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given